Okay, we're here to sort out some damage to the edge of a entrance facing fascia. A few chips in it as we go up. Big nibble out of it there. So coming down here, that, and these chunks here. So we're gonna sort that out. Okay, so this door surround has now been repaired. It was all chewed around this edge here, so it's all been tidied up. Quite a number of breaks on either side, and there was some bad chips there, and yeah, actually I lost where they were. I think there was one there right in the middle, and then something about there, and then something there, and then the remainder of them were down there. So yeah, it's all good now.